Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am here because I have some strawberries in my house that I need to evict. I am tired of looking at them. I've had them since sometime in February and they seem to be dying inside my house. So it's time for them to go outside. But before, I want to show you guys something that I am going to be using to amend my soil with. Alright, so take a look here. I have some K-pods. I believe that's what you call these things. They go in a K-rig, and I've just been saving them. They are coffee grinds. I have a whole bag here. I've been, saving them over time. And I'm going to amend my soil with this and some other stuff. I save my toilet paper and paper towel rolls here, or what is this here, cardboard, and I put that in my compost and my vegetable beds. But yeah, these strawberries, y'all gonna have a new home today. Let's get into it. So I don't know if I'm going to put all of these in here because this is going to take a minute, but I can't seem to find my gardening gloves, and I have like 2-3 pairs, and I don't know where they are today, so I will be getting dirty. But all I'm going to do is open them up like this here. And these have been used, so I'm not wasting them. So I'm just going to dump them out. Get all those good coffee grinds out of here. And it's supposed to do something for your soil. I don't know what, but we'll find out if these strawberries live. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump them all out, and then I'll mix it all in. Alright, so we are outside now, and I am about to go ahead and amend this soil with the coffee grind. Whole big bag of them. And I also wanted to show you guys this one little strawberry. I planted some seeds. I took a whole strawberry last year from the grocery store and planted it, and this is the only one that has came up, and it's been out here all winter. And it looks like it's doing pretty good to me. Alright, so let's go ahead and start amending this soil. Okay, so I have gotten all of the coffee grinds down. I'm going to put a little of this bone blood meal. I always like to give my plants a good start. And this is also my first time trying to grow strawberries, so we'll see how this works out. Alright, I'm using some bone meal now. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all in. Get dirty. Alright, so these ones that I have here are the Ever Sweet. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant them like in the middle. And then the other ones I have are the Carolina pine berries. And I'm going to plant them like around them. Alright, so start off with one right here in the middle. And I got these from Walmart. They were the bare root. And I'm just going to take them out of this because I find that they don't degrade very easily. So actually that hole is too deep. I don't know if you guys can see it. hold on. Okay, this hole is way too deep. So we need to fill that back in. They need some water too. But I'm going to give them some fish fertilizer after we get them planted in here. All right, so they say don't plant the crown, which is right here. I can show you guys. This is the crown. They say don't plant that or it'll kill your strawberries. So I'm just gonna put it like that there and make sure that crown is up. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the crown. You don't want to cover that. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue planting. Alright, so I have got them planted. I even planted the ones that look dead, just to see if they'll come back. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and fill my little bucket up here with some of this fish fertilizer. And we're going to give them a little nutrients. Alright, so this right here will do the job. And hopefully we'll get some strawberries. Guys, stay tuned because I got some more stuff to plant. I can't get it all in one video, unfortunately. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.